Hi guys and girls, welcome all stars online. Ahead in this video, 185 divided by 185 which equals 1 and 185 divided by 185 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1 which equals 1, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 185 divided by 185 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 185 divided by 185, and we can write this part as 1 over 185 divided by 185. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 185 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 185 which equals 1 over 34,225, and this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your thoughts below.